Currently, reindeer herding is facing many challenges as climate conditions change, costs rise, and the physical strain of the job of the herders comes into focus. Increased use of drones in herding could help address these challenges. The small-scale Interreg Aurora project, AirHerding, investigated drone use among Sámi districts in Sweden and Norway to understand more about the potentials of increased drone use and the meeting between traditional knowledge and modern technology. Results show that drones are used in many different situations, such as finding and collecting animals in challenging terrain, moving animals away from predators or avalanche areas, monitoring reindeer behavior and health, and checking fences and herding infrastructure. There are also barriers to increased drone use. These include investment cost barriers, insurance risk, need for training and more knowledge exchange, as well as legal requirements regarding operations out of line of sight. There is significant potential to overcome these barriers through vehicles such as shared pool investments. Education and certification of drone operators would also be helpful. Development of applications specific to reindeer herding and AI support hold immense potential to further increase the benefits of drone use.